Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about some bullish news. On 2nd of October, the ECB published a report on a digital euro. A digital euro could support the euro system's objectives by providing citizens with access to a safe form of money in the fast-changing digital world. A digital euro would be central bank money made available in digital form for use in retail payments. Okay, so this picture here is very informative, you can see. Complementing cash and deposits, creating synergies with payment industry, supporting digitalization in the European economy, ensuring access to central bank money, avoiding risks of unregulated payment solutions, and preempting uptake of foreign currencies. The possible advantages of a digital euro and the rapid changes in the retail payment landscape imply that the euro system needs to be equipped to issue it in the future. And lately we are seeing that the people from the ECB are giving out much more information about the digital euro. They're publishing different reports on that matter. They're of course thinking about the reasons to issue a digital euro, the pros and cons, and what the impact is going to be on the European economy, and not only on the European economy, but on the world economy. And the question here is not if, but when this is going to happen, and in my opinion, this is going to happen next year, and they are going to start issuing the digital euro with the idea of interoperability in mind. And it is going to be much easier to interact with different blockchains. And when I'm talking about interoperability, I always think of Ripple and Stellar, and you know that their idea is to be the perfect blockchains for payments. And of course, in order to be very effective in this space and also in the cross-border payments space, they have to be interoperable. So here we have to mention the IMF Conference. It is going to be on the 19th of October, and it is called A New Beginning. It's about cross-border payments. The first panel is about cross-border payments, a vision for the future, and one of the panelists is going to be Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve. And the second panel is about cross-border payments, the private sector steps up. And here the interesting thing is that Danielle Dixon, the CEO of Stellar, is going to participate. And I think that this is going to be very interesting, and maybe we are going to hear some interesting things about the Stellar network and XLM. And when we are talking about conferences, we have to mention also Stellar's and Ripple's conferences. Let's first start with Stellar's conference. It's going to be next month, and one of the featured speakers is going to be Shayla Warren. She is the head of Blockchain and Digital Currency World Economic Forum. And when we see at Ripple's conference, it is going to be actually this month on 14th and 15th of October. And here the keynote speakers, you see that one of them is again Shayla Warren. We may hear some very bullish announcements on these conferences, but of course we are going to see if that really happens. And another bullish news is the launch of the Flare network. The Flare network is going to be really huge for the XRPL. It's going to be the world's first Turing-complete FBA network, scalable and doesn't base safety on a native token, integrates Ethereum virtual machine, so it's basically going to bring smart contracts on the XRPL. It has low transaction costs. Flare's native token is going to be the Spark token, collateral for the trustless issuance of assets from non-Turing complete chains, contributes to the Flare time series oracle and network governance, created by a utility fork of XRP. There is some kind of symbolism about Flare's native token, the Spark token. Maybe it is going to spark a new bull run. Who knows? Who knows? Let's continue with the bullish news. XRP price to reach between $20 and $30 in the next bull run, predicts Credible Crypto. So Credible Crypto is a cryptocurrency trader that has an account on Twitter, and this is one of his tweets. Keep it real, XRP price is not predetermined, XRP is not backed by gold, XRP will not reach the prices Bitcoin has, XRP will not replace the dollar, but it doesn't need to do any of these things to make you and me life-changing money over the next 3 years. Actually, I completely agree with this guy. I think that he's absolutely right. Next, Vitalik Buterin briefs Ethereum 2.0 updated roadmap, hints 100x scalability with rollups. Buterin said that the Phase 0 launch, which promises a proof-of-stake Ethereum blockchain, is coming soon. Interestingly, he talks about rollups that offer 100x in transaction throughput. On the other hand, the sharding of data promises a 64x increase in throughput. But Buterin noted that rollups stacked on top of sharding would give a 6400x increase in throughput. Okay guys, so if the new testnet, the Zincan testnet, is successful, we're expecting that the launch of Phase 0 is going to be very soon, and when that happens, I'm sure that this is going to ignite a new bull run. Of course, this is not a financial advice, and we are going to see what happens, but this is just my opinion. Okay guys, let's finish for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. See you next time. Be safe.